Hi everybody, I want to share two resources. Thinking about our discussions today, Victor was asking some great questions about the word chosen. Word Hippo is a website that you can use to explore words a little bit more. So the word chosen, you can see different contexts. So we're talking here about the adjective. You can see some synonyms, you can see antonyms, or opposite words. You can see the definition, so it can be the verb, the past participle of choose, or the adjective, picked, selected, elected. You can see words that align with it. And here you can see some sample sentences. Some of these sentences are as a verb, like had chosen, and some are the adjective, like chosen wall covering, chosen items, chosen kind of ice cream. So you can see some examples there. You can also translate the word. You can put it here from English, choose what language you want, and write the word, and click translate, and you can see the translation. The second website I will send you is English grammar practice, like we did today in class in Kahoot. So different grammar exercises. Here are irregular verbs, present simple, other present simple, present continuous, present simple or present continuous. So lots and lots of practice. If you want extra things to do, you could choose one of these exercises to do every day. When you click on it, you write the answer and you can check to see if you are correct. And then at the top, there's always a review that tells you how to make that grammar tense. Good luck. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.